Introducing Amazon Smart Air Quality Monitor. We want you to know Amazon Smart Air Quality Monitor doesn't have a microphone or a speaker to sound an alarm, and Alexa isn't built in. For voice control, alerts, and full routine support, use any Echo device or the Alexa mobile app. This device is an air quality monitor capable of registering carbon monoxide levels. It is not a substitute for a carbon monoxide alarm, and is not certified as a CO alarm or detector. This device does not measure carbon dioxide or radon. This device is designed for indoor use only. Know your air. Amazon Smart Air Quality Monitor makes it easy to understand what's in your indoor air. Track and measure. Keep tabs on 5 key factors: particulate matter, volatile organic compounds, carbon monoxide, humidity, and temperature. Stay informed. Get an indication of current air quality from the color-coded LED, and an easy-to-understand air quality score in the Alexa app anytime. Get notifications. If Alexa detects poor air quality, you can get notifications on your phone or even announcements on Echo devices. Enable routines to turn your Alexa-enabled devices such as air purifiers, dehumidifiers, and fans on and off when the indoor air quality changes. Certified for humans, smart home made easy for non-experts. Setup with Alexa is simple. We want you to know every day is an Earth Day. You don't have to be an environmental scientist to make sustainable choices. We considered sustainability in the design of this device. Here's how. Packaging. Device packaging. 99% of this device's packaging is made of wood fiber-based materials from responsibly managed forests or recycled sources. Materials. 70% post-consumer recycled plastics. Trade in or recycle part with purpose. There may come a time when you want to recycle your device. Explore options with. If you want to buy this product, clicks on the link present in description. If you like my video content, please subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon.